So, I'm back. I literally been taking all day to vlog. I haven't vlogged all fucking day. New me right here. Kevin's right here being annoying. New me's right here brushing out my ponytail so listening to put a wig on. And I was like, I really
annoying.
I was about to say he didn't do that. Anyway, I was like, I really could be vlogging today. And I was been vlogging all day because we ain't been doing shit all day. But I think like I ripped the wig. I had to sew that together. I could have vlogged all that, but it's okay. I'm gonna vlog from now on because I'm staying after school. And we don't put a wig on.
So I'm gonna steal $300?
Yeah, just watch her wash my hair.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
I forgot to vlog, and hopefully I can make this long enough. I'm gonna vlog this one to talk to you. I feel like wake cap on. So I'm trying to find some makeup that match my fucking skin color. I think it's 12 hours. I didn't record the whole day. I could try it again tomorrow. I'm gonna name it that tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to record this morning to go do something.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Till I put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She
So we're going to McDonald's. I'm just riding. Anyway, y'all, I'm following everyone. They play music.
Fucking nasty. Like, I'm not even like, I can handle feet. That was just so fucking nasty. How do you get your feet to that point? Yeah. You know, like, how does that even happen? And telling me to try like make it shorter and get all like gunk out, and like that shit was mad fucking. And then it started. What do you mean? The license don't die. Don't. Am I gonna die tonight?
Hey, what are you telling me? Okay, y'all, so I'm back here, and I'm gonna fix my hair.
This is my glasses. My video. A purpose.
Hopefully don't say no story. If you do,
No, for real. Oh, I ain't not mad at it. I throw that.
Yeah, so my hair's done. That's how it came out a little bit. I'm trying to figure out if I like it. Yeah. Right now I'm actually looking at making a macaroni cut. There goes Zeke, we're twinning. Look. I like to take the time to rub your money. I'm everybody kissing.
On my style.
On my side. On my side. Okay, on my side. I'll be back. I'll be back. On my side. There's a little soft one on my side. On my side. Oh, wow. Damn. He's so ass. The fuck? How the whole school use all the forks already? Like, we just got, it was just hella forks there this morning. Okay, y'all, so I'm home. Period. I'm tired as hell. But yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and stuff. And it's gonna be in this video. So, yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tune in for more videos. Because, yeah, I'll be dropping the videos. I'm sorry for the weak ass vlogmas that I've been doing. But it's okay, y'all know I'm gonna come with the bangers. I'm gonna keep coming with them videos because as I should. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't forget to tune in for more videos. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.